forget your dentist appointment. Music and sound goes a long way to make your animation or your videos online come alive. I'm super excited that Canva has these 3 apps I'm sharing with you today to help build your music videos and your animation and your ads online come absolutely alive. Let's jump right in. So if you are on your home page and you select apps, you're going to land on apps, and then you're going to scroll down to go find these 3 apps that we're going to be using. The first one is Snap Muse, the next one is Music Maker, and then the last one is called AI Music. So let's pick any of these apps and start working with it. For example, let's start with the first one that I want to show you is the Music Maker. When you click and you open the Music Maker, it's going to ask you if you want to use it on an existing design or in a new design. So you will decide how you would like to create this. If it's a new design, you're going to pick your canvas that you're going to be creating this music on, and then it will open up. The Music Maker app works with prompts. So it asks you to add a prompt of 3 words or more, and then you generate music. What I've noticed here is I am a Canva Pro user and I have 0 credits remaining, meaning if you have 0, you can't be creating. So I haven't used this app. Let's test it and see what we get, even though it says 0 credit remaining. So I've added that and I'm going to click on Create Music, and now it tells me that I don't have credit. I need to go buy credit, and this is the first app that I wanted to show you. Let's go to the next app. This app that I found I actually could use, it's a Snap Muse one. Similar to what we've seen, you can choose how to use it and then you can access it. It does say royalty-free music, so I'm going to try it out and I'm going to test it out on my YouTube channel that I'm building for Canva and see if I get copyright issues or not. Let's jump in. So if you are already on a design, like I'm busy doing this animation for my channel, you're going to scroll down and go to apps and search for Snap Muse. And you select it and it opens up. When you click and you open the app, it has a music tab, a sounds tab, and a favorites tab. So you can browse through all of these music that's listed here, and you can listen and see which one you like, and then use it on your videos to create amazing music. So you can either scroll down or you could use the filter option. You can select a genre that you want to use, and they show you where you could be using that in suspense, thriller, gaming, videos, and you could also choose and select a mood. When you click on the drop down arrow, you get even more moods that you could be selecting. And with sounds, very similar to that, it has sounds, and you could also filter by different sound effects that you want. So maybe you want a cartoon sound and you want it to be an object, and you click on apply, and then it will show you the different sounds that you could use for your video. So if you like that particular sound, you could click on the heart and then you load it and you save it as a favorite, and then it would be on your favorite. So the favorites tab is available if you link your account to Snap Muse, and then you have access to it. And if you do like the song, after you've listened to it, make sure your header is sitting where you want the music to be added, and then you click to use, and then it gets added to your design at the bottom.
Last one.
Go to your apps again and scroll down and search for AI Music. It's got that blue AI Music note on there, and then it allows you to create your own music. So depending on the scene that you're creating, you can choose a style and mood, and when you scroll down, you can refine the parameters of your music, and then you can set a duration, and then you can compose. So it tells us that we can choose any type. So say we want this horror scene that I have here, we want a horror sound that we could create for that particular scene that we have. So we're going to go and we choose, now I want to make it mysterious house. or maybe dramatic, mysterious and dramatic. So, and then it starts putting in the parameters. You can refine them all you want, and then you can choose how long you want it to be. I want it to be 5 seconds long. Enter a value from 5 to 300, and then we click on compose. And then it tells me that AI has successfully uploaded the music to my design. So we can listen to it.
A lot of these people were traumatized by some dental experience in their past.
I want mysterious and dramatic, and I want it to be 7. So cool. You can then, like all the audio on Canva, adjust the audio effects, make it fade in and fade out, and then adjust the volume. I experimented with the different types of music and sounds that I could compose. I want to show you the end results. Honey, don't forget your dentist appointment.
On the top 10 things people fear most, coming in at number 3 is going to the dentist. People tell us every day that they do not like going to the dentist. A lot of these people were traumatized by some dental experience in their past. Some are really afraid of needles. Whatever the reason, it does not surprise us that it is number 3 on the list.
Let me know in the comments below if you're going to be using these tools that are available for your videos or for your Instagram or for your TikTok. Let me know. I find it quite interesting, and I'm going to add it on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you on our next video.